Hello and welcome to the KaVo BOX tutorial. In this video we will explain how to order your KaVo original factory repair. We offer original factory repairs so that your instrument is repaired and serviced directly by specialist KaVo engineers in our main site. Once the repair has been carried out, you will receive a 1-year warranty on your instrument. To start, go to www.kavobox.com. For a KaVo original factory repair, select the Repair button. Next, select your country. You will now see an overview of our instruments with fixed prices. If the repair effort includes a minor repair, only a small service package will be charged at £59. Only if the repair costs much higher than the fixed price will you receive a quote. If you can't find your instrument in the overview, you can click on the magnifying glass below, Product without standard price, and specify further information about your instrument. Choose your product to repair at a fixed price. On the product page, enter the error description and, if available, the product type and serial number, then click Next. You can add more instruments to your shopping cart as needed. Below, you can see an overview of your shopping cart. Then click Next. Please enter your data now to place the order. After entering the address details, click the small box to confirm the UPS pickup service and the general terms and conditions. Your instrument will now be picked up automatically and free of charge by UPS on the next working day in a KaVo box. Click on Binding Order. You will receive an order confirmation with tracking number by email. Please put these details in the KaVo box. The status of your repair will be communicated to you by email as it goes through the process.